I'm going to talk about this tool over here in Design Extras, Profiler. Now when you click there, it wants a profile. It says to select a profile. And it's not talking about in here in Design, Complex Profile, Profile Manager. What it's talking about is creating a profile using the Polyline tool. So in this case, I'm going to draw a wine glass, and then I need to do that in section and then only one half of that section. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully it'll make a little more sense after I'm done. So I'm just going to start with the bottom of the glass here and come over, say, 1.25 inches, and I'll go up and we'll kind of taper over to a point over here. Let me start over real quick. Come over 1.25 inches, and we'll come up, come over about this far, and what I'm going to do is come straight up, say a couple of inches, and then we'll go into our arc mode here, arc by center point. The center point will be, straight up and down, and maybe we'll come out a little past 0 degrees here, so we're not quite at 90 degrees, I should say, a little past there. And then I'm going to zoom in, go back into straight mode here, and maybe come over here to the left, say a 1/16 of an inch or so. And then what I'll do is I'll go back into arc by center. We're going to center on this outside arc, so they're the same basically. And oops, click the center, and we're going to come down basically right on top of our old arc here, and then we're going to want to be going back into straight mode here, and we're going to go over to the left here, and we want to go left, hold down shift and constrain right on top of our point down here, and then I'll left click to finish. So we're basically left with this shape. Any way you can get there, it's going to be fine. So then I'm going to select this, what's going to be my half of my profile here, go into Design, Design Extras, Profiler, and I want to be in this mode right here. We want to select a material, say clear glass. Now these guys right here have to do with how this object's going to appear in plan, and I'm just going to leave all this for now. What we're interested in is our display in 3D. So, and this right here, I'm clicked on my right-hand anchor point, lowermost right-hand anchor point. I'm going to click OK, and now what's asking us is enter revolved surface center point. So I'm here, that's the center point, and what it wants to know is the start point. The start point in this case is if I go all the way over here, I want to be aligned with sort of the outermost tangent point of our glass right here. We go up and click right there. Now we can sort of revolve around how much of a glass we want. In this case, 360 degrees will be fine. And then it asks us to name it, and I'll call this wine glass, and click Save. So now we have our profile, and here's our glass in 3D. Let's go take a look at it in 3D. There we are. There's our glass in 3D, our wine glass. So you can make plates or all kinds of objects using this profiler tool.